have planned this entire roadmap of learning JavaScript. Trust me, it is going to be really helpful and will be absolutely free. This roadmap contains all the video resources that you need, including all the important documentations that you need to follow. Then you will be able to get access to the notes, including the AI tools that you are going to need for learning JavaScript. So without wasting further time, let's get started. This is the proper roadmap that you are going to follow. You will be starting with the code editor. If you are new to JavaScript or if you are new to programming, then this is the code editor, Visual Studio Code. Almost everyone use it. So all you need to do is just to go and search VS Code download, and it is available for Mac, Linux and Windows. All the link will be in the description. Just go through that link and go and download it. After downloading it, you need to do two things. Here will be the extension. Here you need to install Code Runner. After installing it, you will be seeing this triangular icon. This will help you to run the code, and you will be finding this one, live server. This live server will help you to run that very basic HTML site in the web page of your browser. Then what you need to do, let's talk about the important things that you need to learn. So you will be starting with variables and constants, the conditional statements, objects, strings, loops, then data structures that includes arrays, then indices, how indices works, arrays is very much important to learn. You really need to pay attention to the array learning. Then the objects, because these are going to be very much helpful for your future understanding about when you will be using the advanced JavaScript. All these things are extremely important to understand. These are the basics. Then you will be going to DOM, then how DOM tree works. Then DOM contains different also methods. There are classes. Then you will be finding fetch APIs. Okay, I'll be also discussing about the video resources. You can take a screenshot of it. Event is also extremely important for learning JavaScript, and you really need to pay attention on these three things. These are the very basic things. You will be able to learn it within a week if you follow the video resources. Then you will be finding class, then fetch APIs. In advanced JavaScript, you will be learning about asynchronous JavaScript. Here you will be able to learn promises, async, await, all these things. Then error handling, scope closers, modules bundlers, then event handling, then regular expression JSON handling. There are other things as well. Let's talk about the video resources that you need for learning JavaScript. If you prefer learning in Hindi, which I also personally prefer, I'm from India, you can go for these two YouTube channels. The first one is Apna College YouTube channel. It have 11 hours of JavaScript course, and you will be able to learn starting from the variables and constants to the fetch APIs. There will be very basic level 2 projects will be covered, and there will be also practice questions as well. In the JavaScript course, you will be able to learn tons of things, and you will be able to get practical knowledge as well. So this, for learning the proper basics and proper understanding, you can definitely go for Apna College channel. Now for practice and logic building, you can consider Code with Harry YouTube channel. The link will be in the description. He has this entire playlist of learning JavaScript absolutely in Hindi language. For practice and logic building, you can go and definitely check out this YouTube channel. If you prefer learning in English, you can visit these two YouTube channels. The second one is for learning advanced JavaScript. I will be talking about it later. The first one is Super Simple Dev. In that YouTube channel, you will be getting 22 hours of JavaScript course. Here you will be able to find proper basics and the advanced JavaScript understanding as well. And again, that link will be in the description. You can definitely go and follow. Now let's move on. For learning the absolute advanced JavaScript, you can visit Web Dev Simplified YouTube channel, where each and everything is explained. For more knowledge, you can definitely visit this YouTube channel. So these are about the video resources. Just these videos will not make you understand the JavaScript properly. There are other important things as well, and for that you will be needing the documentations, you will be needing the documentation guides. So the first one every web developer uses, MDN docs, and if you haven't heard about it, MDN docs for JavaScript, just go to this link, and this is the MDN docs for JavaScript, where you will be able to find, like, if you get stuck with you are not able to understand for a particular topic, you can definitely go and visit this website. And about the each and every advanced JavaScript features, what are the features that you need to follow, everything is in this website, so you can definitely go and just follow this website. Otherwise, if you find this website a bit lengthy or feel hard to understand, then you can go for W3 Schools. This is the W3 School website. Here, just go to this JavaScript section and you will be able to learn the important concepts about the JavaScript. Tons of things are explained over here, you can definitely go and check out. And the third, you have Geeks for Geeks. You will be able to find tons and tons of things, and also it contains the exercises. If you do its exercises, you will be able to build your logic building properly. Switching off this large dark mode to light mode, or light mode to dark mode, this happens because of JavaScript. Every single link will be in the description, you don't have to worry about anything at all. In those YouTube channels, you will be getting access to the notes. Apna College and Code with Harry, they used to share their notes, so you can just definitely go and check it out. Now let's talk about the important AI tools that you need to consider. Now here's the thing, use AI tools only just if you get stuck in something, like you are getting some sort of error. So for that reason, you can consider these two AI tools. The first one is Cody.ai Assistant, the second one is GitHub Copilot. So the first one is absolutely free to use, and the second one is you need to pay for it. So just go in VS Code, and here you will be able to find Cody.ai. You'll be able to find Cody.ai. After install, and you just click on install, and you will be able to see this icon. So let's talk about the features, important features of Cody.ai. It runs on ChatGPTs, then Claude AIs, all these AI's chatbots. This is how it is going to look like. If you just ask for explain this entire code, it will be explaining this entire code properly. So this is Cody.ai, absolutely free. Now let's talk about the second AI tool. It is paid, I'm saying it. Cody.ai and GitHub Copilot, both are similar, both does the similar almost the similar functionality, but GitHub Copilot have some really useful feature, like you can select a particular area and it can generate the code for that particular area, and its user interface is really great. However, Cody.ai is also great. So these are the AI tools. I hope you are able to understand when to use these AI tools. Again, it can decrease your logic building, your creativity. Like if you are creating a website, if you always just rely on solving problems using AI tools, then it will be really disadvantageous for your logic building. There is a condition: use these AI tools only just in case of doing a particular project, or if you're working on some advanced project, only that time consider using these AI tools. So this is the entire roadmap. I hope you're able to understand. Again, each and every single link will be in the description. You don't need to worry about like where I'm going to learn all these things. Get started. That is the first important thing that you need to do. Get started and just do every single thing consistently. Give some time, like 2 to 3, like let's say 1 to 2 hours each and every single day for learning a new topic in your 24 hours of a day, and consider practicing the problems. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video, then make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for getting more and more important video updates, and I will see you next time.